already discussed the previous class. Today now I am explaining some examples how to prepare bank reconciliation statement. Now, how to prepare bank reconciliation statement? Previous class already discussed and already discussed what is the format of bank reconciliation statement. Today now, I will specifically discuss how to prepare bank reconciliation statement as on given to the bank balance as per cash book. So given to the bank balance as per cash book. Okay. So now, at first clearly problem, prepare a bank reconciliation statement. Number one, prepare now the problem is set by NCERT books. Prepare a bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation. Prepare a bank reconciliation statement. Statement of Mr. Bhakot as at 31st March 2019. 31st March 2019. Number one, bank balance as per cash book. Bank balance as per cash book rupees 50,000. Number two, checks issued but not presented for payment rupees 6,000. The bank had directly collected dividend of rupees 8,000 and credited to bank account but was not entered in the cash book. Was not entered in the cash book. But was not entered in the cash book. Okay. Next, the bank charges of rupees 400 were not entered in the cash book. Were not entered in the cash book. Next, a check for rupees 6,000. A check for rupees 6,000 was deposited but not collected by the bank. A check for rupees 6,000 a check for rupees 6,000 was deposited but not collected by the bank, but not collected by the bank. But not collected by the bank. Okay. Now complete the problem. Now again I will repeat this problem. Prepare a bank reconciliation statement on Mr. Bhakot as at 31st March 2019. Bank balance as per cash book 50,000. B, check issued but not presented for payment rupees 6,000. But not presented for payment rupees 6,000. Next, the bank had directly collected dividend of rupees 8,000 and credited to bank account but was not entered in the cash book. Next, bank charges of rupees 400 were not entered in the cash book. Bank charges rupees 400 were not entered in the cash book. Okay. Next, a check for rupees 6,000 was deposited but not collected by the bank. Okay. Now prepare a bank reconciliation statement as at solution. Bank reconciliation statement as at 31st March 2019. 31st March 2019. Particulars. Bank balance as per cash book. Bank balance as per cash book. Bank balance as per cash book 50,000. Bank balance as per cash book 50,000. Add less add check issued but not presented for payment. The check issued but not presented means check issued but not presented for payment. The check issue means cash book minus passbook plus which book is prepared. The cash book is prepared. The now sign will be changed. Now it sign will opposite book cross out, sign will be changed. Now plus the check issued but not presented for payment. Check issued but not presented for payment. Check issued but not presented for payment 6,000. Bank had directly collected by the bank. Bank had a bank book means passbook. The passbook add. Now automatically cash book is minus. Which book is prepared? Cash book is prepared. The cash book cross out and sign will be changed. Now it will be done again. Now it will be added. Okay. The bank had directly collected by the bank. The bank had directly collected The bank directly collected a dividend rupees 8,000, collected a dividend rupees 8,000. Next, bank charges, bank charges means passbook minus cash book plus, opposite book cross out, sign will be changed. Bank charges means bank charges by the bank. When bank charges by the bank, now bank account will be reduced. When bank account reduced means bank book is passbook, the passbook minus automatically cash book is plus. Which book is prepared? Now cash book is prepared, opposite book cross out, sign will be changed. The bank charges not recorded in the cash book. Bank charges was not recorded in the cash book. Not recorded 400. Next, checks for rupees 6,000 was deposited but not collected by the bank. Check was deposited but not collected by the bank. The check deposit means cash book plus check deposit. Now I am depositing the bank check. The checkbook deposit means cash book plus passbook minus which book is prepared. Passbook is prepared, sign will be changed minus. The check was deposited but not recorded in the check was deposited but not recorded check was deposited but not recorded in the passbook. $6,000. Now 8,000 plus 6,000, 14,000, 50,000 plus 14,000, 60, 4,000, 6,400, 0, 0, 57,600. Bank balance as per passbook. Answer will be the bank balance as per passbook. Bank balance as per passbook. Okay. So now this is the problem and solution. The bank balance as per cash book given in the problem 50,000. Check issued but not presented. Check issued means cash book minus passbook plus. Check issued means cash book minus passbook plus. And now it is added. Bank directly collected dividend. The bank directly collected dividend means passbook plus cash book minus. Now it will be added with cash book. Bank charges were not recorded. Bank charges means passbook minus cash book plus. So now it less 400. Check was deposited but not recorded in the passbook. Now again it will be the reduced by less. Now 6,000 plus 8,000, 14,000, 50,000 plus 14,000, 64,000 and 400 and 6,000 add to 6,400, 57,600. Okay. Okay, clear? Now, next problem. PPR a bank reconciliation statement. PPR a bank reconciliation statement. Bank reconciliation statement as at 31st March 2019. Balance as per cash book. Problem balance as per cash book. As per cash book, rupees 54,000. The rupees 100 bank incidental charges, bank incidental charges debited to Anil and Company account, which is not recorded in cash book, which is not recorded in cash book. Number C, check for rupees 5,400 is deposited in the bank, but not yet collected by the bank, D, a check for rupees 20,000, a check for rupees 20,000 is issued by Anil and Company, not presented for payment, not presented for payment. Okay. Now, this is given to the another problem. Now, this is like the homework, and to prepare. Again, I have now discussed the PPR bank reconciliation statement as at 31st March 2019. A balance as per cash book rupees 54,000, rupees 100 bank incidental charges debited to Anil and Company account, which is not recorded in the cash book, C, not recorded in cash book, C. Check for rupees 5,400 is deposited in the bank but not yet collected by the bank. Check for rupees 5,400 is deposited in the bank but not yet collected by the bank. D, a check for rupees 20,000 is issued by Anil and Company, not presented for payment. A check for rupees 20,000 is issued by Anil and Company, not presented for payment. Okay, not presented for payment. Clear? Is the homework. Now, students are try this. Okay. Today is now in my class. Now prepare the next class. Okay, thank you.